Okay. Hi everyone who is look at my frames from the projects to design an ATM app for A2Z Bank. After the ideation part from the assignment, I have the ideas mixing together to make the application to all kind of users. So let me run the frame for you guys. Okay, this is the frame after you click to the home icon of the application. So this is the orientation step you need to perform when you log into the app. So you need to enter your passwords like 6-digit key. Like if you have the password like 123456, so you need to press 123456. But in this default setting, I set it into 0. So if you look to 0, it will give you to the home screen. Okay. So this is the home screen of this is a prototype. This is the home screen of the application to the A2Z Bank. So from the ideation step, I happens that we take the account balance in the home screen section because it makes the user easier to look at and use to check their account balance. And we have the screen of scan QR code because they need to scan it to connect to the ATM. The ATM, if it's not connected, so you cannot use those functions like deposit and withdraw functions. Yep. And also we have the view transaction function, and it's also show your last transaction, your most recent transaction. Okay, but in this frame, I just they implement just only the function for check account balance, deposits and withdraw and view transaction. So as you can see at the bottom, we have the navigation bar to the home account and transaction. Yeah, so they are our two main frame to the application to this digital prototype. Yeah, if you look to the home, it's going put you to the home screen. If you look to the account button, it took you to the checking account balance. And as you can see, this account balance frame is show every available account to the users. So like they can check whether they have how many money they got and how many available balance they have to use to deposit or withdraw. So I think this is a useful frame for them to for the application to check their balance. Also in the home screen, as I said before, you can also go to the account, check the account button by clicking the check button. You click it, it will put you to the account screen. Okay. Also, you have the view transaction. It's the same as the check account. If you click to the view transactions, it still take you to the transaction screen. Yeah, like this. You can see how many transactions you have made before. So as this example, it's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 transactions in dollars. So like it will chase back to your cash flow. Like what did you do with your account? Like in Friday, 27th of September, they have make the cash withdrawal in the A2Z ATM as present, or they use their account to buy food, or yeah, or they deposit their balance at Monday, 23rd of September. Yeah, as I said before, in the home screen, you can also view your transaction by clicking to this button. Yeah, it will still took you to the same place because it just make you saving time and easier for all the user to use the most popular function. Okay, as I said before, if you connect it to the ATM by Bluetooth by scanning QR code, you can use the deposit or withdraw function. These are our two most important function to uh, manage your cash. Like you want to deposit your cash, if you just click your into the, it will take you to the deposit screen. As you can see, this is the instruction for your deposit action. So in the first session, it will say how much notes do you intend to deposit. So you need to input your amount, and the amount needs to be divisible by 10, as in this at the ATM just only take cash. So divisible, I think it's divisible by 5 because I have 5 notes here. So it's also have the instruction like just insert note and tap continue, and not include the coin or the rubber band or the clip. As you can see the image here, so that you are not allowed to put any coins or rubber band here. And also, if you click, if you input your amount and then you click continue, you will move to the next session. Also, if you want to cancel your transaction, just press cancel and it will put you back to the home screen. And yeah, as I said before, if you click to the continue session, it will move you to the summary of your deposit, and you can double check if your deposit is correct or not. So in this section, it's a, you tell us the deposit amount is the number of dollars. So and they kept counted it's dollars. So it just double check you, it's not necessary to need this amount to be equal to this amount. It's just for you to make sure that you input the correct number when you put the money into the J. Also, it have the summary of your deposits. It have account ending, so your account will be deposit to. It have the name of the account holder. And in the description section, you need to input your description. If not, the deposit is not approved. And it's at the amount when they have counted. Okay, if you input your description and you click confirm button, it will be move to the receipt session. This means your description, your transaction have been approved. Or if you don't want to deposit, it will cancel. It will be, if you need to click the cancel button, and it will move you back to the home screen. And then I click the confirm button. Here we go. It will move you to the receipt frame. Yeah, it just have the summary of your transaction. It shows your amount, the ID of your receipt, and the account, and the time when you deposit your money. It have the region you input before and the available balance after you deposit the amount of cash. Or if you want to download the button to download the receipt, you can just click to the download button to download your receipt. I think this is useful because if you use in the auto teller machine, it will have it will be printed, and I think the kind of the paper is harmful to the environment. So I think download the receipt is better. So after you finish your transaction, you just can click to the edit option, and then it will back you moves you back to the home screen. This is the end of the deposit function. Also, we have implemented withdraw function. So in this session, it will be summarized the withdraw amount of cash you want to withdraw. Or you have the quick section here, like the quick withdraw. It have $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, and 500. And in the withdraw section, you can input how much amount you want, and it just need to be divisible by 10 because the minimum amount is just $10. And it's also show your account balance to check if you have enough money to withdraw or not. And it also have the account section for you to choose if you want to withdraw from your personal account or your business account or in your saving account, it's just easier. And then after you click the after you input your withdraw amount, you just need to click confirm. So yeah, it just put your cash out in the ATM machine, and it just moved you back to the receive session. So it's just the same as the deposit function. After you click the confirm session, so it just moves you back to the receipt, and it has a summary of your actions. If you want to download your receipt, yeah, as I said before, just click download, and then you click exit to move to back. So, and also we have the guideline session here, but we have not implemented. It's just if you want to make it more, if you want to make it better, just make the guideline frames. I think this is the end of my application digital prototypes here. It just have a frame. Here you go. Just yeah, a frame for I think that's the most important frame. So yeah, I think this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.